Welcome to our EdTube channel. Today, we explore international media coverage of Biniam and Eritrea's achievements. Subscribe, like, share, and comment below to join the conversation. Biniam and Eritrea won his third stage in the 2024 Tour de France, leading the points classification and earning praise from Lance Armstrong, George Hincapie, and Bradley Wiggins on the podcast, The Move. Hincapie highlighted Eritrea's exceptional confidence and performance, calling it his moment. Cycling Update. Eritrean cyclist Biniam and Eritrea triumphed over Belgium's Wout van Aert and France's Arnaud de Meyer to win his third stage of the Tour de France, finishing in 4 hours, 17 minutes, and 15 seconds, RTHK, Hong Kong news agency. Biniam and Eritrea aims to solidify his lead in the sprinting field at this year's Tour de France, as the pioneering Eritrean sets his sights on a fourth stage victory. Independent. Eritrea, the Eritrean cyclist, achieves a hat trick by winning 3 stages in the Tour de France, Africa News. Biniam and Eritrea won the 12th stage of the Tour de France. It marks the third stage victory for the dynamic rider from Eritrea, NRK, Norwegian Broadcasting Corporation. Asmara erupts in celebration following Biniam and Eritrea's triumphant third stage victory in the Tour de France, France 24. Biniam and Eritrea delivered another brilliant performance in the green jersey, clinching his third stage victory at the 2024 Tour de France with a powerful sprint in Villeneuve-sur-Lot. Cycling West. Eritrea made history this month as the first black cyclist to win a stage at the Tour, ABC, Australian Broadcasting Corporation.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to EdTube, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more content. See you in the next video.